All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning once again. Today is on a Friday, the 11th of April. I'm just, wow. You know what? I don't even understand gold anymore now. Man, this thing is just moving. It's just making highs and highs and highs. Now we have a new high on gold. We have an official high at 32.19. Man, I don't even I didn't see that coming myself. I didn't see that coming. You know what? Yesterday I really tried to push on this. I was really happy when we had this break over here, and I thought this market is gonna do a retracement down. But then we got a doji candle over there, and I was like, you know what? This thing is going nowhere. This thing is not going to go anywhere. So I got out. I just closed the order. It's just some small losses. I just closed it and I waited to see what will happen next. Then I saw this candle happening. Then I said, you know what? This is my no trade zone. I'm gonna wait for it to break above that 135 as anticipated and see if it's gonna continue going up. We had this close over here, very nice close. I took a buy on this point, put my stop loss over here. Then this candle came down, tapped my stop loss. You see? I got out again. I was like, you know what? I'm done with the day for the day. Just when I left it, woo, gold went and went and went and went and even surpassed the take profit. Went. What is this? It's called gold, man. Gold. Gold is crazy. Ooh, look at that monthly candle. Look at that monthly candle. Wow. Oh, you know what? Let's just see what first of all we have. We have the PPI today. Definitely, this is another thing to move the market, and then we have the consumer sentiment as well. That's gonna move the market, of course. The market is gonna be moved today as well. All right. Let's see if you can salvage anything from this wreckage that happened yesterday. So we still have those lows over here. Okay, the reason it's not actually the lows, it's just the support area. We say the support area is formed when there's a bullish candle, a bearish candle, and then a bullish candle again. So that's when you get a support. Over here, we still don't have a support area, but we have in lower time frames, but not on a monthly time frame. Look at this. This is why I was telling you now we don't have a monthly high because look, the candle is still active. And I said if that monthly candle is gonna break the low of the previous month, then we're gonna go down. If it doesn't, then it's gonna go make a new high. And it just made a new high. You know what? All of these things I know they're supposed to happen, but then I don't know how I missed that trade. It had to frustrate me 2 times first so that I can leave it so that I can move. It's not really fair, gold. It's not fair, gold. This is not fair. But then what is fair anyway? Fair is an underrated statement in this world that we're living, man. All right, so we're on daily lows. We still don't have a high because every candle is just super active right now. Let's see if we can probably, yeah, on 4 hours we can get something. See, the moment when this double top, yeah, I should have just held my buys from the other day. Should be, could be in very deep profits right now. But you know what? It is what it is. You miss it, you leave it. You look for the next opportunity, move on, and look for the next opportunity and make sure you seize the next one. You don't miss the next one, you seize the next one. And even if you miss it, don't kill yourself. The market is still active, it's not going nowhere. Gold is still gonna move. The issue is that it's gonna move either up or down. So you just be ready for either up or down. Nothing to kill yourself about. Man, I'm seeing these moves and I'm like, I should have been in there, man, because I could have milked this market like nobody's business. But then that wasn't mine. So yeah, man, it wasn't mine. It wasn't mine. We accept it. We move on. I was actually surprised this morning when I checked, when I looked at the gold, I was like, no way. How did you, how did you even leave me? I was so ready. Look, he respected my analysis very well, but then I didn't get nothing from it. Yep, respected my, oh, this could be some very nice sales actually, should they decide to be potentially aggressive. It's gonna be some very nice. Oh. That's all I can get right now, man. I don't even know about the buys. You know what? The buys just gonna be potential buys above here to whatever it's gonna go. Or probably you can pick a psychological level like to go to 20 to that to 20, 30 to 50 probably, or that to 40 as well if you want. Yeah, probably can just get a psychological level. But telling you what, oh, I don't even know where gold is headed, man. Gold is just going. I read somewhere they're saying that gold may end up to reaching 10K eventually. It's gonna hit 10K. And you know what? If gold hits 10K, man, that's gonna be. Sometimes I feel like I should just take gold and put a small lot size and just buy and then leave it there for years. Because this thing is always going up anyway. Even if it comes down, it's still gonna go up. Yeah. Really, first of all, I'm not really gonna be trading today a lot. I choose to stay out today. It's on a Friday. Second, if I have to trade, I'm gonna be taking this sell from below that 199. If I'm gonna be trading, should we get this potential candle break over here? Because eventually this market needs to have a retracement. You see, there's no, let me take you in 1 hour and see. There's no retracement so far. There's no way the market will give you all of this push without a major retracement. At least to this point. At least. If it's not this point over here. I'm expecting at least some retracement. Well, I'm not really saying it's going to happen today. It can happen next week or next year. So again, we just gotta wait and see. All right, guys, let's meet to Monday. Wow. Okay. Yeah, the week is over. Monday. Let's see. Be very careful. You may not want to hold a trade over the weekend. I'm sure Trump is doing something over the weekend. You may not want to be to be found with a gap on Monday. So take care. Have a good one. Trade what you see, not what you think. All right. Yesterday again, I traded I traded what I saw, but then yeah, kind of faked me out. Actually, yesterday I traded what I saw, and it kind of faked me out. So I'm not really blaming myself for that. No, the market was wrong. I was right. So unakufa na zako. Yeah. All right, guys. See you on Monday. Risk manage your trades well. Let's keep an eye on this and see how it moves. Yeah. All right. It is what it is. Bye bye, guys. Take care.